Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Consuming external APIs in Oracle Apex, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial provides a detailed guide on how to consume external APIs within your Oracle Apex applications. We'll cover different methods, authentication strategies, best practices, and error handling, along with code examples. Understanding the landscape. Consuming external APIs in Apex allows your application to interact with services and data from other systems. This expands your application's functionality and integrates it with a wider ecosystem. Examples include social media integrations, fetching tweets, posting updates, or retrieving user profiles from platforms like Twitter, X, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Payment gateways, processing payments via services like Stripe, PayPal, or Authorize.net. Mapping services, displaying maps, calculating routes, or geocoding addresses using services like Google Maps or Mapbox. Data enrichment, fetching data to supplement your existing records, such as looking up company information or validating email addresses. AI/ML integration, interacting with machine learning models for tasks like sentiment analysis, image recognition, or natural language processing. Key concepts. RESTful APIs, most modern APIs follow the REST, representational state transfer, architecture. They use standard HTTP methods, GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, patch, to interact with resources identified by URLs. JSON, JavaScript object notation, a common data format used for transmitting data between APIs and applications. Apex has built-in support for parsing and generating JSON. Authentication, APIs often require authentication to verify the identity of the caller and control access to resources. Common authentication methods include API keys, simple alphanumeric keys passed as part of the request. OAuth 2.0 a widely used authorization framework that allows users to grant access to their data without sharing their credentials directly. Basic authentication, uses a username and password encoded in base 64. JWT, JSON Web Token, a compact, self-contained way to securely transmit information as a JSON object. PL/SQL Web Services, Oracle's built-in mechanism for interacting with web services. We'll primarily use Apex_web_service package. Error handling, APIs can return errors for various reasons: invalid parameters, authentication failures, server issues. Robust error handling is crucial to prevent your application from crashing. Tools and libraries. Apex_web_service the core PL/SQL package for consuming web services in Apex. Provides functions for making HTTP requests, handling responses, and authenticating. Apex_JSON PL/SQL package for parsing and generating JSON data. Apex_UTIL general utility package for various Apex tasks, including URL encoding and decoding. ORDS, Oracle REST data services for creating and managing REST APIs within Oracle. While we're focusing on consuming external APIs, understanding ORDS is helpful for overall integration knowledge. Your favorite API client, Postman, Insomnia, essential for testing and exploring APIs before integrating them into your Apex application. Step-by-step guide, consuming a simple REST API, example, Random User API. Let's start with a simple example using the Random User API, https://randomuser.me/ https://randomuser.me. This API returns randomly generated user data in JSON format. 1. Create a new Apex application or use an existing one. Log into your Oracle Apex environment. Create a new application or open an existing application. Will be using a blank page for this example. 2. Create a process to call the API. Navigate to your blank page. Create a new process, under Processing section. Name the process something descriptive, example get random user. Set the process type to PL/SQL code. 3. Write the PL/SQL code, get method. Explanation ***. Declare section ***. L_URL, stores the API endpoint URL. L_CLOB, stores the API response as a CLOB, character large object, since API responses can be large. L_JSON, a variable of type apex_JSON.t_ values to hold the parsed JSON data. L_result, a variable to store a specific value extracted from the JSON. **apex_web_service.make_rest_request**. This is the core function for making the API call. **p_URL, the API URL. **p_HTTP_method, the HTTP method, get in this case. Other methods include post, put, delete, patch. **apex_JSON.parse** parses the CLOB containing the JSON response and loads it into the L_JSON variable, apex_JSON internal representation. **apex_JSON.get_varchar2** extracts a specific value from the parsed JSON. The argument results one.name.first is a JSON path. *results is a top-level array. One accesses the first element in the array. Arrays are one indexed in apex/pl/SQL. *name is an object within that array element. *first is a field within the name object. *apex_debug.info logs the extracted first name to the Apex debug console. Useful for debugging. *apex_error.add_error adds an error message to the Apex error stack, which can be displayed on the page. *exception when others then *, a basic error handler that catches any exceptions that occur during the process. It logs the error message and potentially displays a user-friendly message on the page. 4. Set process point and condition. Set the point of the process to unload, before header or another appropriate point depending on when you want the API call to be executed. Unload, before header is common for retrieving data when the page first loads. You can add a condition to the process if you only want to execute it under certain circumstances, example when a specific button is clicked. 5. Create a region, optional, to display the data. Create a new region on your page. Add an HTML region item to the region. Modify the PL/SQL code in your process to assign the JSON response to a page item. Modify the source of the HTML region item to display the JSON. The pre-tag preserves the formatting of the JSON. 6. Run the page and test. Run your Apex page. Check the Apex debug console, developer toolbar-debug, to see if the first name is being logged. If you created the HTML region, you should see the JSON response displayed on the page. Handling more complex APIs, post requests and authentication. The random user API is simple, but most APIs require more sophisticated handling. Let's extend our example to incorporate post requests sending data to the API. Authentication using an API key to access a protected resource. Example, a hypothetical API for creating a new user, requires API key. Let's assume we have an API at https://api.example.com/users that allows us to create a new user using a post request. The API requires an API key to be included in the header. 1. Modify the PL/SQL code for post with API key. Explanation ***L _body * constructs the JSON body to be sent in the post request. Apex _JSON.write converts a PL/SQL apex _JSON.t values collection into a JSON string. Apex _web service.g request headers * a global array that allows you to set custom HTTP headers. We set the XAPI key header with the API key value. The header name may vary depending on the API documentation. P _body in make _rest request the P _body parameter now contains the JSON body we want to send. This is essential for post, put, and patch requests. Error handling we log the L _body and L _clob in the exception block to help debug issues with the request or response. Response handling The code assumes the API returns a JSON response after creating the user. It parses the response and extracts the new user ID. 2. Set the process point and condition, as before. 3. Configure the HTTP header, important. Apex by default only allows certain headers. You may need to add XAPI key to the allowed headers. Navigate to shared components application definition attributes security attributes. Under HTTP request add XAPI key to the allowed HTTP headers attribute, separate multiple headers with a comma. Authentication strategies, beyond API keys. OAuth 2.0 is standard for delegated authorization. It allows users to grant your application access to their resources on another platform, example Google, Facebook, without sharing their passwords. Implementation, high level. 1. Register your application * You'll need to register your Apex application with the OAuth 2.0 provider, example Google, Facebook, and obtain a client ID and client secret. 2. Redirect URL * Configure a redirect URL in your Apex application where the OAuth 2.0 provider will redirect the user after they grant or deny access. 3. Authorization code grant * Implement the authorization code grant flow. Redirect the user to the OAuth 2.0 provider's authorization endpoint. The user logs in and grants, or denies, access. The OAuth 2.0 provider redirects the user back to your redirect URL with an authorization code. Your application exchanges the authorization code for an access token. 4. Access token * Use the access token to make API calls to the protected resource. 5. Refresh token. Optional access tokens expire. You can use a refresh token, if provided by the OAuth 2.0 provider, to obtain a new access token without requiring the user to re-authenticate. Apex OAuth 2.0 Client Authentication Schemes Apex has built-in authentication schemes to make OAuth 2.0 integration easier. Look into these if possible, as they manage a lot of the process for you. Asterisk basic authentication asterisk uses a username and password encoded in base 64. Asterisk implementation asterisk. Asterisk JWT, JSON Web Token, a compact, self-contained way to securely transmit information as a JSON object. Often used for authentication. Asterisk implementation asterisk. 1. Obtain a JWT asterisk. Usually, you'll obtain a JWT by authenticating with an API and receiving it in the response. 2. Store the JWT asterisk. Store the JWT securely, example in an Apex session state or in a table. 3. Include the JWT in the authorization header asterisk. Best practices. Asterisk store API keys securely asterisk. Never hardcode API keys directly in your code. Use Apex application items with protected attributes, requires Apex 20.1 Plus, or Oracle Wallet for storing sensitive information. Also consider Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Vault for highly sensitive keys. Asterisk implement robust error handling asterisk. Catch exceptions and log errors to the Apex debug console or a logging table. Provide user-friendly error messages on the page. Asterisk handle rate limiting asterisk. Many APIs have rate limits to prevent abuse. Implement logic to handle rate limit errors, example retry after a delay. Asterisk use caching asterisk. Cache API responses when appropriate to reduce the number of API calls and improve performance. Apex provides caching mechanisms, example apex_util.get_application_value. Asterisk parameterize queries asterisk. Use bind variables in your SQL and PL/SQL code to prevent SQL injection vulnerabilities. Asterisk use connection pooling asterisk. Configure connection pooling for your database connections to improve performance. Asterisk be mindful of data privacy asterisk. Handle sensitive data from APIs with care and comply with data privacy regulations, example GDPR, CCPA. Asterisk test thoroughly asterisk. Test your API integrations extensively to ensure they are working correctly and handling errors gracefully. Use a testing framework if possible. Asterisk use descriptive comments asterisk. Document your code clearly with comments that explain the purpose and functionality of each section. Advanced topics. Asterisk asynchronous API calls asterisk. For long-running API calls, consider using asynchronous processing, example Apex background processes, to avoid blocking the user interface. Asterisk WebSockets asterisk. For real-time data updates, consider using WebSockets to establish a persistent connection between your Apex application and the API. Apex supports WebSocket functionality. Asterisk ORDS, Oracle REST Data Services. Create your own REST APIs within Oracle. This can be very useful for creating APIs to expose data or functionality from your Oracle database to other applications. Troubleshooting. Asterisk API key issues asterisk. Double check your API key and make sure it's correctly configured in your code. Asterisk network connectivity asterisk. Ensure that your Apex server has network connectivity to the API endpoint. You might need to configure a proxy server if your server is behind a firewall. Asterisk CORS, cross-origin resource sharing. If you are making API calls from the client side, JavaScript, in your Apex application, you might encounter CORS issues. The API server needs to be configured to allow requests from your Apex domain. Generally, consuming from the server side will avoid CORS issues. Asterisk JSON parsing errors asterisk. Verify that the JSON response from the API is valid and that you are using the correct JSON paths to extract the data. Use online JSON validators to check the format of the JSON. Asterisk debugging asterisk. Use Apex debug mode to trace the execution of your PL/SQL code and inspect the values of variables. Check API documentation. Refer to the API documentation for the latest information on endpoints, parameters, authentication methods, and error codes. Example, using Apex collections to store API data. If you need to store the data retrieved from the API for later use or manipulation within your Apex application, consider using Apex collections. Collections are temporary tables that reside in the user's session. Explanation Apex Apex_collection.delete_collection deletes the collection if it already exists to avoid conflicts. Apex_create_or_truncate_collection creates a new collection or truncates an existing one. Loop the code iterates through the results array in the JSON response. Apex_JSON.get_count, results, returns the number of elements in the array. Apex_collection.add_member adds a new member, row, to the collection. P_C001, P_C002, and P_C003 are columns in the collection. You can define up to P_C050. *commit commits the changes to the collection. This is essential to make the data available for other processes or regions. Using the collection in an interactive grid or report *. Once the data is in the collection, you can easily display it in an interactive grid or a classic report by setting the data source to a SQL query like this. By following these steps and adapting the code examples to your specific API requirements, you can effectively consume external APIs within your Oracle Apex applications. Remember to consult the API documentation for details on endpoints, parameters, authentication, and error handling. Good luck.